Hi, I'm Frank. I'm the founder of Computer Comforts, and I'm here today to tell you a little bit about the Space Saver Lectern. We call it the Space Saver for obvious reasons. This particular unit's 24-inch square, so it's a very small footprint. We have an auxiliary surface here on the side, so if you wanted to pull up a chair to do some work in between classes or put a document camera up on a surface, that's ideal for using that. We have a locking rear door on the back. There's 14U rack space in this unit, and we have rack rails on both the front and the back. So you can either mount equipment or put in flat shelves, your choice. And last but not least, we have heavy duty locking wheels, which really make it nice for moving around the room. What I've discovered, a trend recently, is instead of the big old lecterns that we're used to seeing on campus, where the faculty stand behind the lectern and the rack is built into the lectern, now it's becoming a little different. They're splitting oftentimes the rack off. So picture this being up in the front of the room somewhere and the instructor maybe on a smaller roll around portable lectern. So that's where we see these going a lot of times. Anyway, if you'd like to learn more about this product, visit computercomforts.com. Thank you.